Huh? pH value. Okay. Fatima, do you remember the range of pH value?
Ma'am, for water it's 7.
No. I just want that range. How this acid to base it changes. Beginning. 14. 1 to 14. 1 to 14. Or we can say 1 to 13. Correct? Okay.
0 to 1.
Yes. Okay. So, Badi, what is the pH range of acids? What is the range of pH range of acids?
Less than 7.
Less than 7. Okay, good. Abel, what is the pH range of base?
More than 7.
More than 7. Okay, more than 7. Okay, Aaron, can you tell me, as you go lesser and lesser from the 7, what happened to the acid substances?
Ma'am, there will be more acidic, ma'am.
They become strong acids. Okay, similarly, as you move away from 7 to above, what will happen to the bases?
Ma'am, it will be more basic.
Yeah, it become more basic. Okay, so I think that was the last topic we have learned. So we need to move little more further, children, because we have another 6 more chapter need to complete it by this term. I think first term lot of time we wasted for revision this and all, but sir has told, so almost 8 months, almost half of the months we spent for this thing. So did I discuss about neutralization in everyday life?
Yes,
ma'am. Okay, neutralization. So what do you mean by neutralization, Pranav? At least that you should tell me. What do you mean by neutralization?
When acid and base react.
React.
Neutralization.
React. And what are the things we get after neutralization, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the things we get after neutralization? There is some products, no? Acid and base are, we call it as reactants. So after neutralization, we will get 2 things. Which are the 2 things? At least look at the diagram and you just assume. What is that? Acid base come together, you will get something. 2 things.
H2O.
H2O. H2O means what is the chemical name H2O? What is that H2O? What is H2O? H2O?
Water.
Water. Please learn the chemical name of H2O. Means the name of the H2O is water. Okay. Water and what else we get? What else we get? Water and salt. Yes. So after neutralization, we will get water and salt. Okay. So now we are moving on to the first neutralization, where we use this neutralization in our everyday life. So this is the last portion of this chapter. Why we are learning acid and bases? There is some impact on our daily life. So the first thing, during indigestion, too much of acid is produced inside the stomach. Okay. So Fatima, can you read the slide, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
During indigestion, too much of acid is inside the stomach, resulting in stomach disorder or
acidity.
In order to
retrieve
the pain, we take bases such as milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium
hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Okay, children. So this is the first impact of neutralization in everyday life, because you know, if you eat too much of food, okay, whatever more than you require, you eat sometimes. Sometimes some people likes too much of sour. That means you will have sour taste like. So some people will drink a lot of, they will eat tamarind, or they make the curry which made out of tamarind too much. So all these more than which require, what will happen? Your stomach start getting a pain. Okay. Sometimes you have a feeling. you have the feeling that something is moving on our stomach. Like sometimes you feel the pain near the chest, sometimes you feel the pain in abdomen, it will moving on. So that is what we call it gas trouble. Okay, there is a gas is formed in your stomach. So all these reasons, what will happen, there's a too much of acidity in your body. Already your stomach is making hydrochloric acid to kill the germs. But when you eat more what you require, sometimes more hydrochloric acid is produced in your body, and that is the time. Similarly, if you have lot of sour fruits, like maybe you may be eating every day lemon juices such a lot, maybe from the morning to till night you may have at least 5 to 6 7 glasses of lemon juice. Naturally lemon juice contains a citric acid, so this quantity in your body will increase. So that time you will get a burning sensation or something in your, I think any advertisement you must have seen. Do you think Eno and Puddinghara and all, some they are showing some fire in the stomach? Have you seen some movies?
Yes.
There was one movie, one old man is having vadas or something, and he cannot eat more than that, and some fire they are showing inside the stomach. Have you observed that kind of ad? Just must have seen
Yes,
before the
sir.
movies. So that is the so that is the advertisement of Eno and Puddinghara. These are the two things very common. So they used to show the ad. Acidity, like that they call. Acidity, no problem. So like that they will show the advertisement. So this is because of this reason. So the count of acidity increases because of our food style. As a result, you get a severe pain or burning sensation inside the stomach, and you cannot eat more than that. Sometimes you feel your stomach is grown and just like a ball. If you touch it, you can just feel it tapping sound. Have you ever experienced any one of you like that?
Like what, ma'am?
Like a ball, your stomach, you feel very hard sometimes, and you wanted to eat, but you are not able to eat. Do you experience like this, any one of you?
I think I do.
No, ma'am.
No, even some may, if you experience, if you touch your stomach, it look like rubber. Means you feel that softness gone and your stomach look like rubber. I mean, today you feel like rubber, not look like,
If
feel like
move
rubber.
inside,
Yes.
or like that.
So that is the symptom of acidity. That you have a lot of acidity. So to decrease acidity, you will have some kind of medicine. That is what I have shown the pictures: Pepacid, Gelusi, Phyllis, Tempo, Riopen, Malox, Digel.
What is this?
All these are medicines. All these are medicine to reduce the acidity. And medicines, what does this Gelusi, all this contain? It contain base. All this medicine, what I showed you, contain base. So when you have more acidity, you will take this medicine, any one of this medicine, then it contain the base. The base will neutralize. Base will neutralize the acid, and your acidity, your pain and gas trouble, everything will go. So that is neutralize, one of the example for neutralization in everyday life. Yeah. And one more thing, what is this base contain? What is the name of the base in this medicine? Magnesium hydroxide. That is like hydrogen. We have another element, magnesium. Magnesium plus hydrogen plus oxygen. These are the three different chemicals. So when this magnesium, hydrogen and oxygen mixed together, you will get a medicine which contains magnesium hydroxide. It undergo chemical reaction, and magnesium hydroxide actually is a base. Okay, so this will be mixed in these medicines, Gelusi, Philips, all these things, and Eno and all. So while you drink that medicine, the base will reduce the impact of acid. Okay, and then it neutralizes the acidity and you feel better. So this is We call it magnesium hydroxide, or we call the medicine as milk of magnesia. The medicine what you drink is a milk of magnesia, but different companies, they will give different names. That's it. You know, Philips, Jalusi, Pepacid, Pudinhara, all this. So each company will give different name. That's all. But the same thing is, yeah, someone is saying, but audio is not clear. Any doubt? Rahat? Hello?
Ma'am, it's Shreya.
Shreya, what happened, Shreya? What, Shreya? Your voice is breaking, Shreya. I'm not able to hear. Now you tell. Say, Shreya.
Ma'am, acid. Ma'am.
Say, I'm waiting for you. Can you get her what she says? Because I'm not able to understand what she's. Shreya, can you put in the chat box? What are you saying? Because I cannot get you. Others also cannot get you. It's breaking your sound. Okay, put in the chat box. Okay, children, shall we continue with it? So I'll check afterwards. So this is about the first neutralization. So when in human being, when you have why this acidity comes? When you eat a lot of food, digestion will not take place. So as a result, more acid is produced in our stomach. So because of that, you are able to get that. Clear? Fine. Next, another thing here, easy thing is toothpaste. You know, you have Colgate, Closeup. What is the taste of the toothpaste? Alisha, how do you feel like toothpaste taste? Is it sour? Is it some bitter little bit?
Ma'am, it's minty, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, it's minty, ma'am.
Minty means if you have the toothpaste with the mint flavor. I'm not talking about any flavor. Just take a Colgate. It is not a mint flavor, either tulasi flavor, either aloe vera flavor. Simple Colgate. How do that taste like?
Ma'am, it is minty for me.
Mint is your toothpaste is mint. That's why it's a mint flavor. Alisha, what toothpaste you are having?
Colgate.
Colgate. In Colgate, what is that? Is it Colgate salt or something? Have you read that? What your mother kept? Don't know. But anyway, leave it. If you start brushing, what taste do you have in your mouth? Is it you like the taste of the toothpaste?
No, ma'am.
No. Yeah, you feel like something like burning like that. Okay. Naeem, what paste you are having? Colgate. Oh, Colgate. Okay. What is the taste of your paste?
It-
You like the taste?
Yeah. Of course.
You like the taste? Is it little bit sweet like what? Why do you like the taste of the breast?
Maybe sugar and like
Okay, fine. Rahan, Safan, what about your toothpaste? Safan, which toothpaste you are using?
Ma'am, I forgot the name.
You did not brush today. That's you forgot, Safan.
No, ma'am.
At least when you take the paste, at least you will see the name, no? Okay. Fine. Move on to Ahil. What is the name of your paste, Ahil?
Close-up, ma'am.
Close-up. What is that? It is a red close-up or green close-up you are using?
Red.
Red. What is the taste of that close-up?
Minty.
Mint. Oh, mint taste. Okay. What about Priyadatta? Yours?
Ma'am, Sensodyne.
Sensodyne. Sensodyne, will they have mint taste?
Yes, ma'am, little bit.
Little bit. Okay. So the flavor is there. But if you have anyone has tasted KP Namboodiris or Ayurvedic toothpaste?
Yes.
Ma'am, that
Have it
was a
taste.
weird
Yes.
bitter taste,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it's a
Ma'am, it's a
bit,
bitter taste, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. It's
It's
tasty.
weird, bitter, and then little bit pungent. I mean to say
Ma'am,
chilli.
Colgate and all have
Ah,
like,
the reason Ayurvedic they put our ordinary what you call ginger, then what you call tippali or grambu, like cinnamon and all they will put in that. But Colgate, Close-Up and all chemical. They made chemical substances. They are not natural substance. But Ayurvedic toothpaste they purely made out of tulasi, aloe vera, all this kind of herbs. Okay, that is why that taste. Anyway, in both the things, some they will put sugar so that the small kids can taste. Otherwise, toothpaste, if you make a toothpaste, it doesn't have any sweet taste. It will have a bitter taste, more or less like a surf taste. Okay, soap solution, how it tastes, more or less. But they put some sugar flavor into it or some other flavor into it so that small babies, no, they are very lazy to brush the teeth. Even you, some of you, now also you are lazy to brush the teeth. I know. Some of them will go to the kitchen directly, no? Grab something to have without having the brush. Still, there are some children have that kind of habits. So what I'm trying to say that all this taste indicate that the toothpaste is a base. Okay. So can you read, Irene, the first sentence? Irene, are you listening? Okay. Shall I go to other one? Okay. Ausepachan. Can you read Ausepachan slide? No way. Yeah. Read what I underline over there. Can you read? Or shall I pass to Ashinanda? Okay, Ashinanda, read please. So every time I'm calling the same
Yes,
student.
ma'am.
Read the first 2 points. Read.
And the toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Yes.
Toothpastes help in neutralizing the effect of acid formed due to the food particles because they are alkaline in nature and neutralize the effect of acid.
Okay. What did you understand, children, from here? The toothpaste, the food particles, what you eat. You see, early morning you get up. You know your mouth has a particular smell, correct? You don't like it. Do you like the smell of it? And even your mother, you go and give one hug to your mother, and mother will tell you, oh, go and brush. There's a smell. So what is actually the smell? Because
here every time happen.
yeah, not that. During even you wash your mouth and everything in the night when you go to sleep, the bacteria work in your teeth. And what it will happen, it will produce a particular acid. That is the acid you have in saliva in the early morning when you get up. That is what at least you have to go and wash your mouth. Why? Wash your mouth means you will be neutralizing the acid. Afterwards, what you will do, you take the toothpaste and you brush it. When you brush, actually what is happening, this base in the toothpaste will neutralize the acid and the saliva. It will get a very good fragrance. Did you get that point, children? So this is the second neutralization in everyday life, toothpaste. Okay, toothpaste help in neutralizing the effect of acid formed due to food particles because they are alkaline in nature. Alkaline means base in nature, another word of base, and neutralize the effect of acid. Got it? Okay. Shall we go to Pranav? Pranav, read the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Our hair get rough after applying shampoo and again turn shiny after we add conditioner. This is because our shampoo is basic is nature and conditioner is acid in nature, and that's why it neutralizes the effect of the shampoo.
Okay, children, did you get that? Why do you, when you put the shampoo in your hair, why your hair is flying like anything? You are putting a base on that, so it will lose the oil content. It will remove the oil content in your shampoo, and then usually the people will say that you have to, after applying the shampoo, you have to put the conditioner. But nowadays we don't use. Even I don't put the conditioner. After putting the shampoo directly, we wash it off and then we go for, wipe it and we go for it. So then it will fly. But after applying the shampoo, if you use the conditioner, this roughness of your hair will, some people say hair becomes smooth. Why hair becomes smooth? It is actually by applying the shampoo, you are losing the natural flavor of your hair. So that is why those who are applying the chemical shampoo, sometimes your hair started losing. So, but if you use Chembarati shampoo, no, what we make at home, then you will not lose the hair. It will grow nicely. But all others, they will say Head and Shoulder, Clinic Plus, Datri Didi, even Datri Didi, they are say it is Ayurvedic, but they use some chemicals in it. So, if you continue apply your shampoo naturally, your color of your hair will change. Your hair will become thinner and thinner, and it started losing. So that is why they say we have to use the shampoo. You have to put shampoo at least twice in a week, not every day. Okay. So what is happening? Shampoo is just like a surf. It's based in nature. So after applying shampoo, you have to use the conditioner. Otherwise, it will lose its. So when you use the conditioner, what will happen? The base nature, the base will be get neutralized with the acid. Okay, children. So we will meet in the last session and we will complete in the last session. Okay. Except
Yes, ma'am.
Lemin, Adus, where is Adus? Adus not yet come. Sebastian is absent. All three. Who else is absent? Okay. So, Reha. Reha.
My attendance.
Yes. So you are only 27 now. So I know the students who is missing.
I think it is close up, ma'am.
Close up. Okay, fine. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
3-4 students absent. Bye. Read the textbook, children. Today we are going to complete this chapter. So on Monday you will have the MCQ test. Okay. Yes.